On International Yoga Day, I congratulate everybody at Shobit University family for organizing different programs to celebrate the ancient but the most modern science of the human history. I am thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi ji for making yoga an international brand. I remember the day when in 2014 United Nations General Assembly declared with the support of 177 countries that yes, the world will be celebrating International Yoga Day on 21st of June every year. This year it becomes more important to celebrate Yoga Day. As we all know that the world is suffering with a pandemic, COVID-19. We do not have a solution. We do not have vaccinations, medications. We are looking for solutions to fight COVID. But I am sure that from medication to meditation, if we go, we can increase our immunity, our physical immunity, our mental immunity, our spiritual immunity. And once we increase our immunity, we can fight COVID-19 also. And yoga is one of the best way to increase the immunity. The second thing which is important, yoga always asks us to connect. That connection is with us, to connect with ourselves. Because the day we connect with ourselves, then we start connecting with the world, connecting with the society, connecting with fellow citizens, fellow human beings. For the youth, I will like to say that yoga is not only a fitness protocol, it's a protocol to know yourself better. This lockdown has given us an opportunity to have more compassion. It has given us time to reflect upon ourselves. And this Yoga Day, let's celebrate that compassion. Let's celebrate of being with us. I congratulate the team at Shobit University Gango, especially the members of the Medical College of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, which is approved by Ministry of Ayush, for celebrating Yoga Day in the fields of the university. I am told that all precautions will be taken care, right from social distancing to cleanliness to all other precautions will be taken care. But they will celebrate it. The theme of this year is Yoga with Family, Yoga at Home. Please do yoga. And this yoga should not be one day protocol or exercise that every year on 21st June we will do yoga. Do it every day. I am thankful for my colleagues at Shobit University Gango as well as Shobit Deemed University Meerut, where through either the medical college or through our Center for Yoga and Research, we are propagating this most important scientific way to connect with the world. The youth is learning, the youth is realizing, the world is realizing, and India has given to the world a way to connect. Let's all celebrate yoga. Please remain connected with the society, with the world, and do whatever you can do for the society. Because this connection with self is a start, but from self to the society, we have to go. We have to remain concerned about everybody. We have to work for everybody. We have to serve everybody. On this occasion, I would like to take an opportunity to thank Mahamandaleshwar Martanpuri ji also, who is in Gango from last 100 days, serving those who are suspected of COVID-19. And he has given a message that neither age is a matter, nor your health is a matter. What is your matter is your conviction, your commitment. Let the country has an immunity, a physical immunity every youth must have, mental immunity everybody should have, spiritual immunity everybody should have. Let the country be immune from all evils, all disease, all bad elements. Let's strengthen the country whatever way we can. And today on International Yoga Day, on 21st June 2020, let us commit ourselves to remain connected, to remain committed, and with the conviction we will serve the society, our nation. Remain fit, remain safe, remain healthy. God bless us all. Thank you. Namaskar.